Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes Benz. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes Benz is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.